What do you want?
Ma, no.
Who are you?
My name is Alex. What do you want? I mistakenly hit your daughter. It was an accident.
Chimo,
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
So why did you follow her home?
Ma,
To finish what you started?
No.
Leave! What do you want?
No, ma, look, okay.
He just wants to help us.
Yes, I just wanted to offer some compensation for my mistake, okay?
And you believe him?
Yes, mommy. Mommy, please,
we don't want your compensation. Just go. Leave my house. I say
I
leave.
mean no harm, I promise you.
I don't want your help. Leave.
Stop being uptight.
Oh, I'm cooking. Hey! You listen to me. Look, if you tell anybody what you saw in the kitchen today, anybody at all, I'm going to make life hard for you and your miserable mother. Do you understand me? Mommy, your food and water is right beside you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. I'll be going to the market now.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Be safe. And make sure you come back home before 12 noon.
I will.
Be very careful.
Okay, mommy.
Okay. Ngwan, be sick, Yes. Come and give me a hug before you go. Be safe,
Okay. I'll be right back.
Be careful, oh.
Okay, mommy. Take care of yourself, okay?
I will. Be safe.
Okay, eat well, oh.
I will.
Hey, honey. Good morning.
Breakfast is ready.
Babe, I will pass, okay? I'm trying to rush you for a meeting. I'm pretty late. Alright? So I'll see you when I get back.
Babe, my cousin called. He's coming to Lagos and he doesn't have where to stay. Please, can you stay for 2 weeks?
2 weeks?
2 weeks. 2 weeks and he's gone, I promise.
2 weeks?
Yes, 2 weeks.
Okay. Alright, I have to rush, okay? Take care. I'll see you.
Care.
Bye.
See, I dey try for you go. Wetin if you want make the girl give me the contract stop to dey give me work. Now the first time why they do work for am be this now.
Pure water.
Abi, well get out of my phone, Jerry. Pure abeg come, Jerry, come. Man, cool my mind. Which kind of person be this one? How you doing now? Well done. This your pure water no cool now.
Sir, there's no light, but it's cool small now. Touch it.
I just need cool stuff. Man, cool my mind. Oh, give me my manager and give me. Give me another one. Yeah. I hope you get change, oh. Now 5 each day.
Sir, I don't have change, oh. I've not made any sales.
You bless say you know they come out on time. You never make sense by this time. You don't know what time.
I know, sir. I've been out since morning. People have not bought from there. Other people selling water, sir. So please, sir, you have to buy from me, sir.
Now give me one.
Okay, sir.
I don't know, but my mind just tells say, man, I'll leave that change for you. Take,
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, I should keep the change. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Sir, you don't know what you've done. My mom will be very happy that you dashed me money. Because she is blind and this is the only way we can eat from selling this water, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it, sir. God bless you, sir.
Your mom is blind.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Wait. Add this one to her, yeah?
Ah, sir, give me. Thank you, sir.
No, it's fine. It's okay.
Thank you. Sorry, give me money.
Sell, yeah? You go sell.
Stop that.
Ah. Nice house. You know I miss you, right?
Don't call me baby. Don't even do that mistake. I told him you're my cousin, so act like it.
Okay,
I'll
cousin.
show you to your room.
Okay, cousin. It's okay.
Mommy.
Mama,
Yes.
how did it go today?
You went very well.
I can see. This one you're sounding very happy. What happened? You sold everything.
Not everything, but there's good news. Mommy, a man gave me money today. He saw that, yes, he saw that I hadn't made sales. He dashed me money.
Guinea, and you collected. Uloma, how many times have I warned you about collecting something from strangers? A man, he gave you and you collected. Why?
It's the change. He asked me to keep the change.
That's how it starts. From keeping change, he will ask you to come and meet him somewhere. Did he touch you? Are you okay? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. He didn't do anything to me.
You have to be very careful. Very careful. There is kindness and there is danger. You have to be very careful.
Okay, Mommy. Don't worry. I promise I'll be careful.
You have to be. Man gave you money. You took it. Just like that. How much is this change that we are talking about? How much is it?
Give me 1,500.
Guinea, 1,500 naira, Uloma. He gave you and you collected. Please, next time, if he gives it to you, give it back to him. Give him back his change. Don't collect it.
Okay, it's fine.
And you said you're okay. You are sure he did not touch you?
No, I'm okay. I'm fine. Don't worry, I'm fine. He didn't do anything to me.
It's okay, it's fine. Please, next time, don't collect anything from anybody.
Okay. I hope you ate your food.
Did.
And you're fine.
It's okay. Go inside and
I'm coming. Let me get you something else to eat, okay?
thank you.
You can't be smoking in my living room. What is wrong with you?
Chill, bro. It's no big deal.
Chill, it's not a big deal. Of course it's a big deal. You don't smoke in my living room, don't you understand?
Bro, you don't speak to me like that.
And who are you? I would not get to
Don't
speak to
speak
you.
to me like that.
What do you mean?
Speak to me with manners.
Oh, shut up! What kind of manners?
Shut up.
Are you stupid?
Because I'm in your house? Are you chill, bro?
You don't smoke in my living room. Do you smoke in your living room?
Like that?
Are you serious?
Huh?
Don't you ever?
Don't you have manners? Speak to me with manners, my friend.
Stop!
What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with the both of you?
Fuck off.
Babe, I'm very sorry about Fred's behavior. I honestly didn't expect him to act like this.
He doesn't have respect. That boy lacks respect. Where does he think he is? In a club? Smoking in my living room. You need to talk to him.
Babe, Fred can be difficult, but I promise I will talk to him. It won't happen again.
Look, and what is this aura that he's carrying as if he owns my house? My own house! Let him take that cigarette or whatever he's doing outside my house. Outside my living room.
It will never happen again, I promise.
Please talk to him. Nonsense. Smoking in my living room.
What the hell was that back there?
What was what? He was getting in my face.
You were out of line. I mean, you knew what you were doing. You're supposed to be in your best character, right? And not cause any problems.
I wasn't trying to cause anything. It's just that he was...
No, Fred. No. You knew exactly what you were doing and you can't keep pretending like nothing happened. See, you're going to go and apologize to Alex right now.
What? Apologize for what?
Hey, please. You really have to. Okay? You have to keep playing the fool till we get what we want. Right?
Fine, I'll apologize. But it's not like I'm okay with it.
I know. You have to pretend like you care. We don't need any drama right now. Okay? Please.
Fine.
Love you.
Babe, so Fred has something to say.
Hey man, you know about last night, I'm sorry. I think I got out of line. I wasn't supposed to disrespect you in your house like that, so I'm sorry.
Fred really means it. He's sorry and it won't happen again.
It's alright. Apology accepted. Please let me make one thing straight. I don't tolerate smoking in my house or anywhere around my compound. If you want smoke, you can take it out.
That's fine. It may not happen again.
Me?
It will not happen
I'm
again.
joking. It won't happen again.
Thank you, babe.
Come on, man. It's no deal.
Thank you, babe. Are you enjoying your breakfast?
Yeah. Well, I'm running late. I have to leave right now. Okay? Thank you. All right. Take care. All right.
Buy your pure water. Pure water. Buy your pure. Don't come in. My water. Oh no.
Jesus! Are you sorry? Are you alright? Are you okay?
Fine, I'm fine.
Oh my God! I'm so look. I wasn't. Okay. Look, I'm sorry. Please. Can you manage? Oh, you know what? Just take all this. Let me pay for the water.
Sir, I can't take your money. I'm fine.
Look, it's my fault, okay? Please, can you just manage this? Please.
No, sir, I can't take your money. My mother said I shouldn't take money from strangers. So please, I'm fine.
Look.
I'll just take this home and wash it.
You know, I understand, but look, I insist. Okay, please.
No, sir, it's not necessary.
It's either you take this, or I could come with you home and just apologize to your mother for this.
Huh? No, sir, please, you don't have to. You don't have to, please. Just pay for the ones you broke.
I insist. It's either you take this money for this, or I come home with you.
Sir. Then you have to come home with me.
Okay. Let's just pack this. Come here. Just leave this, okay? Please. Come. Is it okay? Jesus. Sorry.
Who is that?
It's me.
Who are you with? Who is that? Uloma? Who?
Ma.
Come behind me.
Ma.
Come, Uloma.
I'm here.
What do you want? What
No.
is he doing
I
here?
mean no harm.
What do you want?
Mommy, wait. It's just trying to help.
Yes.
Help you for what?
Ma.
What do you want?
Ma, no.
Who are you?
My name is Alex.
What do you want?
I mistakenly hit your daughter. It was an accident.
Chimo,
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
So why did you follow her home?
Ma,
To finish what you started?
No.
Leave! What do you want?
No, ma, look, okay.
He
hold
just
on.
wants to help us.
Yes, I just wanted to offer some compensation for my mistake,
And
okay?
you believe him? Uloma?
Yes, Mommy.
You-
Mommy, please,
We don't want
we-
your compensation. Just go.
we need
Leave
his
my house. I say
I
leave.
mean no harm, I promise you.
I don't want your help. Leave.
We can't keep rejecting help from people because we are scared. We've not eaten since morning. Please, he's not a bad person.
Look, ma, I promise you, I mean no harm, okay? It was just an accident. I just made sure she was safe. That's why I came back with her. And I just want to offer like a little compensation. That's all. Please. Please, take.
Oga.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Oga, we've done enough. It's fine. Just go, please.
All right.
Go. You can go. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Uloma,
Huh?
how much is the money?
Mommy, it's plenty. I have to count it.
Please, Uloma, I don't want any form of trouble. Why is he giving you so much money when he tried to kill you?
No.
Eh?
Mommy, please, we need the money now.
He gave you plenty money and you collected.
Because
You are still counting the money.
Yes.
Uloma, please, he has not gone far. Just give him back his money, please. I don't want any form of trouble.
See him again. He has gone.
Hey,
He has gone.
how many times have I warned you about collecting something from strangers, Uloma? How many times? He gave you plenty money. You collected. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Nothing happened to you.
No, nothing.
Come here. Let me be sure you are okay.
Okay. Yes, Mommy. I'm
Come.
fine.
Let me see your face.
Okay, touch the
I
money.
don't want to touch the money. Oh, God.
See, his new money. Oh. It's
I don't want it. Leave me alone.
Mommy, let me drop my bucket so I can buy something for us to eat, okay? Mommy, I'm hungry.
Come here. Let me be sure you are okay.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay.
You want to hold the money?
I don't want.
Hold
I
it.
keep it inside.
Okay.
Baby. When is he giving you the 10 million now? You need to act fast and get all the money you can get from him.
I'm working on it, okay? But for real, you need to stop getting on his nerves. You almost ruined everything yesterday.
Relax. He won't suspect a thing. Calm down, okay?
That's it.
That's her. Hey, you better keep him in check.
Hey, babe. You're home early.
Why are you sweating?
What? Oh, I was just working out, staying in shape for you. I'll go freshen up, okay? Dinner will be ready soon.
Hope there's enough fire there, Uloma.
Yes, yes.
Have you added salt?
Yes, yes. I'm adding salt already.
Be easy with it, oh. We don't need one bag of salt to cook a pot of soup.
Mommy, I know. You've already said that 100 times.
I'm just reminding you. I know how you can be with salt. Stir it very well.
Yes, I have.
So this man, Alex, why did you bring him home?
He offered me money when he hits me. I refused to collect it. So he said it's either I collect the money or I bring him home so he can meet you and apologize and then offer the money to you. And he actually seemed like a very nice person.
Sometimes help from strangers comes with a price. Did you notice anything strange about him?
No, not at all.
Did he try to touch you?
Huh? No.
Just have to be very careful because life
It's a crazy place.
hasn't been fair to us. Sometimes people aren't what they seem to be. I don't trust people that easily. Just be careful, my daughter.
I will.
Hurry up with that soup. It smells good already.
Yes.
Hope there is enough fire. Huh?
Yes, yeah, leave it, it's fine.
Okay. And stir it very well, though. I can't wait.
Yes.
I taught you well.
Delicious.
Stir very well, very important.
Yeah, it's almost ready.
Okay.
Baby, are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I am. I'm just thinking about what happened today. About the little girl I almost hit.
Oh my God, is she okay?
Yeah, she is. She is. It's just a story that's touching. Her mom is blind, and she's out there hawking sachet water.
Oh dear. Did you offer any help?
Of course, I did the little I could. I gave them money.
Babe, sir, sister, please pass me the water.
Yes, sure. Water.
Hi, thank you.
Fred, what are your plans while you stay in Lagos?
Just exploring. There are lots of opportunities in Lagos, so. Yeah.
Maybe you should eat your food. It's really getting cold.
Yeah, sure.
It'll be very good.
Mama. Why? You are washing the clothes and probably like you want to wash it into pieces.
Mommy, it's not my fault. These clothes are very stubborn. Hands are peeling.
Stains could be washed away You'd have been spotless by now.
Oh, mommy. You indirectly saying I'm stubborn.
I didn't say anything. We are talking about the stains, right?
Okay. Don't know what's going on. I'm just trying to make
Just take it easy. You can wash and tear yours into pieces. Hope it's not my clothes you're washing like that.
I'm not tearing anymore.
No, you can tear yours. It's okay. But just don't tear mine.
I won't tear yours. In fact, I'll make yours sparkling clean. So you look beautiful when you wear it.
Thank you. But just take it easy. Wash it slowly. Soak it for a while. The stains will go away. Okay?
I'm trying. I've soaked it since. What kind of stain is this? I don't know.
Just don't tear it. You can tear yours, but not mine.
Don't worry, I won't tear it, okay?
I show his original documents at his house.
Unless it's just too secretive. Keep his cards close to him.
So what now?
Switch gears. Maybe we should just forget about finding the documents, then tell him I want to start a business and demand 20 million naira from me.
Tell him 25.
Babe. I've been thinking you should take your important document to your lawyer.
Why the sudden interest in my documents?
Because I saw some papers lying around and such things are not supposed to, you know.
Well, those ones are not the original papers. The original documents are with my lawyer.
Oh, that is so smart.
Thank
You're
you.
so thoughtful. You know, you should include me in your plans. Like, I need to know your investments, your properties. We're getting married and it's a shame I don't know any of these things.
Babe, you already know I own my company and landed properties. If there's anything new, you'll be the first to know. Yeah? Oh, speaking of something new, I'm actually thinking of helping Teresa and her daughter.
Who is Teresa?
Teresa now, the lady that stays in an uncompleted building with her daughter. You know, I was thinking of maybe getting them a space or just bringing them here and setting up a business for
No
her.
way. No way you are going to do such thing.
Why?
Before you help a stranger, well, I need to start up a business.
Babe, these people are living in pitiable condition.
That is none of my business. I need money to start a business. Since before you help a stranger, you're going to help me.
Okay, how much are we talking about and what business are you talking about?
Well, it's a fashion business. I'll be needing like about 25 million naira.
25 million what?
I'm even going to manage the money. I mean, you know, getting a big space costs money.
Babe, 25 million is a lot of money. What are you... 20... Okay, fine. Why don't we, you know, plan on saving this money? I mean, 25 million is a lot of money.
Okay. But for how long?
Let's say 5 or 6 months.
6?
Okay, 5 months. We need to help these people. I mean, where they're staying is bad. It's terrible. Okay?
Oh, you have money to throw around, but you don't have money to give me to start my business. Really?
Did you just hear what I said? They're living in an uncompleted building. She's blind, suffering with her daughter. You know what? This is not even up for debate. I'm going to help them. Okay?
Like, how is he so concerned about helping that blind woman and her kid than me?
Calm down, babe. Don't let it get under your skin.
How can I not? He's supposed to focus on me. Now I have to wait for 5 months while he's out there playing the hero to some strangers.
And don't fight it. Use it to your advantage.
What are you talking about?
This is the right opportunity to squeeze money from you. Pretend to be understanding, support his kind-hearted mission, help him do the apartment shopping, the groceries, everything, and then demand money. Easy.
I hate this idea.
You don't have to love it. You just have to work it. Hey, baby. You need to play the understanding girlfriend, the understanding fiancé. When the time is right, make your move. Easy.
Hello.
Who is that?
It's me. It's Alex.
Who?
Alex, Alex.
Which Alex?
The
Who are you? What
the
do you
young
want?
man that almost hit your daughter. The man that came the other time.
The one that almost killed my baby. What do you want? Why are you here? What have you come to do?
I'm so sorry.
What? What do you want? What are you doing here? What?
I just came to check on you both.
Why? If it's the plenty money that you gave to her, we still have it, eh? I can return it back to you. I don't want problem. Please, just go.
No.
Please.
It's fine. I mean, you can keep it. You can keep it, okay?
So why are you here? What do you want?
Look, I admire your daughter's strength and resilience. I'm just thinking of the way I can help.
Please, just go. We don't need your help. We don't need your help in any way, please. I've told you I can return the money you gave to her. We don't need it even.
Okay,
please.
Fine. We don't need to call it help or something, you know, if it's not sitting proper with you, but can we be friends at least? Friends?
Friends?
Yeah.
I don't keep friends. I don't have friends. Just go, please.
Can I be your first friend? Look, I mean no harm, okay?
I'll think about it.
Okay, where's your daughter?
She went out.
Okay. I'll be back.
Mommy, look at the plenty stuff they got for us. Oh, I knew it. I knew he was a good person.
He seems like a kind man. Yes. But you don't have to get too comfortable around him. You have to be very careful. Don't trust him.
Don't worry, I know. Ah! Mommy, do you know that he got you a walking stick?
He did?
Yes, this is short too.
Are you serious?
It's coming out too.
What's coming? Wait, is that the walking stick making noise?
Yes, it's.
Let me feel it.
Mommy, this is magical.
Wow.
Check it now. Wow.
This feels very good.
Yes.
And smooth too.
Yes, very smooth.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of him. He's a good person, no doubt.
Very good person.
But you still have to be very, very careful around him. Okay? This feels good.
Now we have plenty of food to eat.
So what are we eating this night?
We will eat noodles and plenty eggs.
Plenty eggs, Uloma.
Yes.
I know you. Don't finish all the eggs in one day, oh.
Don't worry, I will not finish it. I'll keep some for tomorrow.
Better don't finish it. Better.
Mommy, let me go and keep it inside.
Oh no, you have to keep this new walking stick. Or should I start using it immediately? Or maybe you can keep it.
No, you can start using it to use this one. This one feels better.
Okay. Oh.
Let me throw this one away, Jerry. This one that is very strong.
This feels very good.
Oh. Okay. Wow, this one is very nice. So.
This feels very good.
Yes.
And it's long. It's quite long.
Yes, it's long. Very long.
Look at that.
Very fine. Keep it. So let me keep the stuff inside, okay?
Okay.
I can make the noodles for us, please. Let it go. This is so nice. You like it, right?
Yes, I do.
All right. Let me make the noodles, okay? How many noodles should I make?
Ulo, I know you. Just do what we can eat.
Okay. I'll cook 6.
Eh? No, make 10. Cook 10. Not only 6. Hey.
Babe. Babe, are you in the bathroom? Lucy. Lucy.
Damn, your lips so good. I get jealous someone else gets to taste this.
Very soon we're going to get out of here, right?
Appreciate it. Okay. Let it kiss you like that. That's mine.
Lucy. Lucy.
My baby. Such a bad girl.
I wish you can do this every night.
Every night? Right here. I go nowhere. We'll do it every night, every day.
Lucy. Lucy.
Yeah.
What are you doing here at this time of the hour?
Fred is actually not feeling well, so I heard him coughing and I decided to come and check on him.
But he doesn't look bad at all.
Baby, see, it's actually serious. More serious than it looks. I was about to head out before you came in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, don't take too long.
Sure.
That was close. Damn. It's okay. Come on. Let's go see you, Shiki.
Groceries, clothing, provisions. He didn't bring back any of this. Wait. He bought all this for her? Who the hell is this lady?
Who is that? Who are you?
Look, I am not here to hurt you.
Whoever you are, stay back. Don't come close to me. Who are you? What do you want? Whoever you are, stay back. Stay back. What do you want? Who are you? What do you want? What are you doing here?
Look, stay away from Alex, alright? I am here to warn you. He is not your savior. So don't use this your pity card to bleed him dry.
Stay away from who? Wait, you think I begged him to help me? Eh?
He is my fiancé. Stay away from him if you don't want any trouble.
Young lady, I don't know who you are. But the only thing I have to tell you now is to take yourself away from here. Now, if you don't leave, I'll use my stick on you. Leave! I'll call for help. Leave!
It's not over.
Leave! Don't ever step your foot here again. Mannerless children. I said leave! Can you imagine? God save my Loma from this kind of people. What kind of children do we have these days? Huh? He came here to warn me. I think I begged him to help me. No, you did. Take this in. So I wanted to come to the front.
Hi, Teresa.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Uloma, I got this for you. Okay?
Uloma, go inside. Don't take anything from him. I said go inside.
I thought you've gone past this.
We don't want anything from you, please. Your girlfriend was here to warn me to stay away from you. I don't want troubles.
What? Lucy came here. I can't believe you actually went to her house to confront her.
So what? Someone had to put her in her place.
Put her in her place? Lucy, she's blind. She's only surviving by taking care of her child. What gives you the right?
And what gives her the right to worm her way into your life? You don't see what is happening here, do you? She's playing this helpless victim to get what she wants.
She never asked me for anything, Lucy. I'm only doing it on my own free will. I offer to help.
Oh, how noble of you. Playing the savior, aren't you? But what about me, Alex? What about me? I am your fiancé and yet I have to fight for attention for some random stranger.
Lucy, this is not about attention. This is about doing the right thing.
The right thing? The right thing is focusing on us. See, I don't have a problem with you helping some blind woman, but you are yet to give me the money I want to use to start my business.
Money? You know this is not about money. This is about your jealousy and insecurity. You going to Teresa's place is low. It's way too low even for you.
You don't get it, do you? She's not as innocent as you think. But fine. Do whatever you want. Be her knight in shining armor. But don't you come back crying to me when she takes advantage of you.
You've really shown me who you are tonight.
What did I tell you about the blind lady and her daughter? Did I not tell you not to make an issue out of that?
I didn't go there to start a fight.
Bro, you're so dumb.
For you to get this kind of money from Alex, you need to be in his good books. Not nagging him like a fool.
Don't you dare speak to me like that!
Please. Listen. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that.
Get away from me!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. What's wrong with this girl, man? Lucy! Lucy!
Alex, I think it's right time for us to draw the curtains. I accept your kindness. I appreciate everything you've done for my daughter and I. Thank you so much. But we have to stop accepting gifts or any form of help from you henceforth.
I understand. I'm sorry about my fiance's attitude. But we can't just draw the line because of that.
I know your intentions are good, but I don't want to jeopardize your relationship. I also don't want to put my life and the life of my daughters in harm's way. You know I am blind. I won't be able to help or protect her if anything goes wrong.
I would never allow anything happen to you or Uloma.
It's not about you. I'm old enough to know that helps like this always comes with strings, even if it doesn't mean to.
Okay, let me at least take you to an NGO. That way you'll be safer.
God forbid. No NGO or welfare or anything of that sort will come between my daughter and I. I'd rather remain here with her than risk it. I don't want to lose her.
Teresa, here is not safe. This environment is not safe for you and Uloma. Okay? Please, just trust me.
Do you have a child of your own?
No, not yet.
Good. When you have a child of your own, you can come back and tell me about NGO or welfare.
I understand. But please, if you ever need my help with anything at all, don't hesitate to call me. Okay?
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you so much, my darling. Quite a long day, eh? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh my God. What happened to your face?
Nothing. I mistakenly hit my face somewhere.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for earlier, for confronting Teresa. I was wrong and I let my emotions get the better of me. But I promise you, I'm going to support you from now on.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I thought about it and you're just trying to help. And I want to stand by you.
Thank you. I mean, this means a lot. You know what? Why don't we treat you to a spa so you can take care of this? And hey, the business money is coming soon.
Really?
Of course, it's...
For real? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I love you. It's okay. Sorry about this, eh? Okay? Right. Why don't you just go up? Easy. Let me get my phone.
Okay.
Loma, please bring my walking stick.
Okay, Mom.
Hi, Teresa.
What are you doing here?
I came with someone.
What do you want? What brings you here?
I
Who? Who are you?
I came to apologize. I was out of line and I am sincerely sorry.
What's wrong? What happened?
Nothing.
What happened to her?
A man came here last night to take me, but she had to fight him off.
What? Are you hot? Are you okay?
She's okay. Nothing will happen to her. Not under my watch. And please, Mr. Alex, I need you both to leave. My daughter and I, we don't want troubles. Just leave us alone, please.
No, my hair is not safe for you both. Eh? It's not safe anymore, okay? Why don't you just move in with us for the meantime?
No, please. My daughter and I, we are very fine. We are good here. I don't want to be a problem to you and your fiancé, please. I don't want trouble.
My fiancé is right here. She has no problem with it. She has no issue with it.
Fine, please, just leave us alone.
Mom, maybe we should go with them.
Exactly. Look, we mean no trouble at all. Just move in. Here is not safe, okay?
I've heard, Mr. Alex. We'll move in with you.
I'll make sure that you both are comfortable.
Thank you.
Is it?
Sorry.
Easy, please. Come in. Easy. Easy. Just one step at a time. Yes. Yes. Come in. Welcome to your new home. Come in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Easy. Come in. Okay. Please sit.
You're welcome. Please feel at home.
Hey, what's happening here?
Oh, Fred, this is Teresa and her daughter. Alex brought them home. And this is Fred, my cousin. He's been staying with us for a while.
Fred, please, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to help me get painkillers for her, okay? Please, she needs some painkillers for her pains, and I'll be dashing off. I'll be back soon, okay? Please, make yourself comfortable. If you need anything at all, Lucy and Fred is here to help, okay? I'll be back soon. All right. Honey, see you soon. Okay.
It's your room. This way, please.
Hey,
How you doing?
how are you?
I'm okay.
I told you this would work, right? That's the money Alex sent to you.
Why do you need to know? The money is safe with me.
Send it to my account. You squander it if you keep it.
Fine, I'll send it.
Good girl.
No,
Now
wait.
Stop being uptight.
Oh, I'm cooking. Hey,
Hey, hey. You listen to me. Look, if you tell anybody what you saw in the kitchen today, anybody at all, I'm going to make life hard for you and your miserable mother. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma.
Good. Because if you do, you will wish you hadn't.
I won't. I promise.
Now go to your room and behave yourself. I said go to your room.
What did you say to her?
I threatened her that if she says anything, I'm going to deal with her. So, take care of it.
Come on. What if she stops?
She won't. Trust me. I scared her.
Scared people do unpredictable things, babe.
So what do you have me do? Offer her tea and heartfelt apology?
What if this goes wrong? What if this...
It won't. I took care of it.
You don't know that, babe. You don't know that. Are you sure about this?
I am. Just stop worrying. Please, let me focus on cooking.
Right.
Loma, are you okay?
Yes, mommy, I'm fine.
No, you're not. I can sense that you're not okay. What is it?
I'm fine. I'm just tired.
I don't believe you. You know you can talk to me about anything, right? Huh? Tell me, what is it? Loma.
Mommy, I saw Auntie Lucy and Uncle Fred kissing.
Shh! Close your mouth. You did not see anything.
No, I saw them in the kitchen.
Loma, it's not everything that you see that you say. You did not see anything.
That's why I didn't want to tell you at first, but you insisted. And she warned me not to tell anyone.
And nobody has to know about this. Can you hear me? Nobody.
Yes, Mommy.
So why are you still squeezing your face? Come. I know you're still not happy. Come. It's okay. Oh, Alex.
Good evening, ladies.
Uncle Alex.
Hey, baby Loma, how are you?
I'm not a baby, and I'm fine.
Oh, I see. You're a big girl, right? Auntie Loma. Alex, you're welcome.
Thank you.
How was it, day?
Quite a long one, but it was good. I got you ladies this.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, Mommy.
Yeah?
You got us provisions.
Oh, wow, really?
Yes.
Oh, my God. Alex. This is a lot. You shouldn't have.
Yeah, I mean, it's nothing. It's just snacks.
Thank you. Thank you for... You've been so kind to us. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me guess, you've been indoor, haven't you?
What is wrong with that?
Everything. Everything. I mean, you should go out, listen to some music, maybe not watch TV. You know what I mean?
Thanks for your concern, but...
What about you? Why don't you just go downstairs and watch television?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Can I?
No, she'll be here.
Let her have fun. She'll be safe.
Okay. You can go, but just for a little while.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
All right, enjoy yourself.
Ah,
Hey, you're amazing,
amazing.
Yeah.
How?
Your strength, your resilience. Even without your sight, you still find a way to create a safe haven for her. Were you born blind?
Babe. Babe, I need help with something downstairs.
Can it wait?
No.
Okay, Teresa, we'll get back to this discussion later. Okay?
Thank you, Alex.
Alright. Hey.
Babe, I called you here to talk about her.
About her? Who?
Teresa.
Oh, Teresa, what about her?
You see, I get the point that you're trying to help. But she doesn't really have to be that comfortable with you. It's unsettling.
Babe, she's blind. What are you jealous of?
That's the point. When you come back, the first place you enter is her room. You're always checking in on her, buying her stuff, making plans for her and her daughter. It's like there's no room for me.
Oh, I smell jealousy here.
It's not jealousy, but I need you too.
You're my priority, okay? I mean, all I'm just doing is render help to the needy. But my feelings for you has never changed. Okay?
Babe, I need money.
Money?
Yes, my mother is sick and she's in a bad shape and she needs proper treatment.
Why didn't you tell me your mom was sick?
Babe, I didn't want to bother you. You have done so much for me.
It's no bother at all. I mean, you should tell me these things, okay? How much are we talking about here?
1 million.
1 million? What?
Babe, why are you shouting as if 1 million naira is a big deal for you? It's an emergency and she needs ICU.
I would give you the money.
Really?
Yes. Will it make you happy?
Yes.
Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I love you so much.
I love you. Jealous girlfriend.
I am not jealous.
What's funny?
No, it's just a joke, babe. Hey, I'm going to see Mom and Fred is coming along.
Okay. I already sent you the money to your account.
Thank you, babe. I'll see you later.
Alright, take care.
You're staring.
You got me. So, you're such an amazing mother. Tell me, were you born blind?
I was once a school teacher.
Wow. You know, my mother was a school teacher as well before she passed.
Oh.
Yeah, she loved her job.
I loved mine too, so much. It started as an eye infection, and I visited different healthcare centers. I got no help, rather it got worse.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
And the man I was with at that time, he abandoned me because I became kind of a burden to him. So I got worse. I couldn't get help from anyone. No family, no one at all. I lost my job. I couldn't afford to pay my rent. So we had to move to the uncompleted building you saw us.
That's a lot. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
I know a very good ophthalmologist. We could book an appointment.
No. I've accepted my fate.
I wasn't asking. Okay, I'm going to book an appointment. Do you want something to drink?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you, Alex. And the Lord has made me whole, and He says I'll be blessed forever. When the Lord has made me whole, I know He will bless me forever. Lord.
You have a beautiful voice, you know.
Oh, thank you. It's one of my favorite songs.
Oh.
Yeah, it reminds me of good and fond memories. I sing it when I'm happy, when I'm celebrating my birthdays.
Oh, that's true. When's your birthday?
July 8th.
July 8th.
Yes.
Noted.
Ah, I like that. Oh, memories. When the Lord has made you whole, you will know you are blessed forever.
Wow, this looks good. This looks good. Well, the good news is that you still have a chance of regaining your sight.
Okay, so what's the bad news?
The bad news is that so much time has been lost and we need to do the surgery almost immediately.
Doctor, please, let's do whatever we have to do, okay? Whatever it takes, let's just get it done as soon as possible.
Okay, I will set up the surgery immediately and get it rolling.
Yeah. Doctor, please, you can schedule the appointments, okay? For wherever it's deemed possible. We are ready.
Yes.
I
Teresa, we are doing this, okay? I mean, you deserve a chance.
I will set up the appointment immediately and I'm sure everything will go well.
Please do.
Please excuse me.
Thank you. Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay? Everything will be fine.
thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You know, you're just a freaking leech. I do the work and you take the money.
Did you just call me a leech? Did you call me a leech?
What the hell is going on here, Fred?
It's nothing, man. Just fun. Yeah, right? Listen.
Yeah, we know. We just messing around.
This doesn't look like you're messing around.
It is. Sibling things. That's how we play.
Yeah, it's just sibling things. That's how.
Sibling thing.
Yeah.
You just playing. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, really. It's just a little disagreement.
She's fine. It's just a misunderstanding. Right?
Yes, yes, yes. You're welcome. Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome.
Let's go upstairs.
Come in. Where are you going?
Oh, you're awake. I'm thirsty, so I'm going to the kitchen to get some water.
Water? You seem too quiet for someone going to the kitchen.
I didn't want to wake you. That's it.
Okay. Can go ahead.
Okay. Hi.
Hey. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. How is Teresa? How is her appointment? Was it successful?
Went well. The doctor said he wasn't sure she's able to see again.
Oh, that's so unfortunate. How is she coping?
Yeah, she's strong. Stronger than I thought.
That's good. So, I'll get going. Don't work too hard, okay? I'll see you later.
Alright. Bye. Something doesn't add up.
Alex, are you okay? You're unusually so quiet today. What's going on?
There is something going on between Lucy and her so-called cousin. I'm yet to figure out. I mean, their closeness.
Are you serious about this? Are you sure?
I don't have like a tangible evidence, but I feel something is off between both of them, you know. Whenever they're close together, something feels off.
Wow. Are you serious? Maybe that's just how close they are.
Wait, don't you have siblings?
I used to have one, but she's dead now.
Oh, I'm so sorry, you know. But about Fred and Lucy, I'm still going to find out the truth.
Really?
Yeah.
How are you going to do this?
I guess that's where you come in.
Alex, it's like you've forgotten I am blind.
But that's perfect. I mean, if your surgery goes well, I just need you to pretend that you're still blind.
Alex, are you sure about this? Are
Look.
you really serious thinking about it?
Yes, I mean, it's perfect. They won't know that you can still see. And I'm sure they will lose their guard around you. I so do now. Got to find out what they're doing behind my back.
Okay, if you're serious about it, we'll know how it goes.
Yes, please. I'm very serious about it. I need to find out the truth about what's going on with those two. I need to. Okay. Thank you.
Uncle Alex.
Yeah.
Welcome. Mommy. Welcome.
Okay, easy.
Easy.
Okay. Go ahead. Okay, yes. Easy, okay. Yes. Sorry. Okay, come in.
There's a step there.
One step in.
Another one.
One last one.
Last one.
Exactly. Come in. Okay, so yeah. Alright. Easy. Yeah.
Get the bag.
Oh, okay. Yes, please.
Thank you so much, Alex. I had no idea that good men still exist.
Oh, come on. What were you thinking? That they're all extinct.
I begged my family members, all of them, my uncles, my relatives, I begged them for help for my surgery. Not a single one of them was ready to help. None of them showed concern.
Sorry. You never mentioned anything about your parents.
They are late.
Oh, so sorry about that. Sorry.
Thank you.
Need anything?
Your face.
Oh, don't expect too much. I'm not that cute.
Your heart is beautiful.
Oh,
You're staring.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. If I were you out, I'll stare too.
I made you something to eat, Teresa. How are you feeling today?
I'm managing. Thank you for the food, Lucy.
I'm sure you're going to get better. I believe so. Alex has been amazing, hasn't he?
Well, I'm doing the least I can do. I mean, help in my own kind of way.
Just come and eat. It's getting cold. Call me if you need anything.
Thank you, Lucy. Thank you, both of you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, okay? I'll just go freshen up. Uloma will come pick you.
Okay.
Just hold on. If you need anything, let me know.
Thank you, Alex.
Yeah.
God bless you.
You too. So, babe, about your business,
Oh, my business. What about it, babe?
since you're close to starting your business, I was wondering, what are your business plans? You know, let me see if I could chip in one or two things to help.
Everything I've been sorted out.
Okay.
Yes, I'm just waiting for capital to roll in.
Oh, sounds good, sounds good. Sounds good. Can I see it? Can I see them? Your business plan, can I see it?
Oh, it's with Fred. He's helping me put one or two together.
Fred?
Yeah.
Oh, sounds interesting. Well, how come you're not with it? Why don't you keep it yourself?
Fred is very good with numbers, so he's just helping me arrange some things together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, when do you think we should get married?
Very soon, babe. Once I get the business started and everything is running smoothly, then any other thing can follow.
One step at a time, yeah?
Sure. You understand me so well.
Okay. Okay.
Fred, really?
What?
See, Alex is getting too nosy, okay? Tonight he asked me for my business plan and I had to lie that he's with you.
Go ahead. You don't have a business plan, do you?
This is very serious.
Hmm.
Okay, when he puts 2 and 2 together, if he finds out what is going on, trust me, we are done for.
Relax, Lucy. Relax. It's just asking questions. You panic too much. Like, way too much.
See, this is serious. All right, he's asking for details. Just put together some fake business plan that is going to be good enough to shut him up.
Now you're delegating. Do you want me to put a business plan together for you?
This is serious. See, I am tired and I'm not in the mood for this, all right? I need that money and I'm running out of excuses.
It's okay. I'll put together a business plan for you. Is that okay?
You play too much. This is serious, okay? I'm going...
I come bearing gifts for the birthday girl.
Alex, you shouldn't have.
But I did. I mean, birthdays are supposed to be celebrated. And you should celebrate it.
Oh,
My mom never celebrates her birthday.
That is about to change. Okay, we're going to change that. Here's a gift.
Wow!
Can I touch it?
Hold on, let me bring that. This is beautiful.
Is it?
Yes.
Wow. Oh my God, it feels beautiful. Oh, thank you.
Something special for you. I mean, I thought we could do more. So I told Lucy to whip up something for dinner for the celebration.
Alex, come on now. You've done enough already. You don't have to.
Not until it gets to make you smile. It's never enough.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'll see you guys later when I go catch up on some things.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. God
You're welcome.
bless you.
This is beautiful.
Oh, it feels really beautiful. He's such a good man.
Mommy, do you like him?
Shh, close your mouth. And stop laughing.
Okay, kind. What is this beautiful?
Now take off my gift and pack it back. It's only for special moments. Be careful. Oh, it feels good.
Yeah.
It looks so beautiful.
Beautiful.
I can feel it.
Wow, I wish this was mine.
It's ours.
Thank you.
I know you're smiling.
I'm smiling. I'm happy.
I'm happy too.
So, Teresa, how are your eyes feeling? Any improvements?
It's too early to tell, but I'm glad I can try.
What did the doctor say? Any real chance of recovery?
The possibilities are rare. I mean, the damage was severe. We just hope and pray that things get better. Yeah. So let's just watch out and see how things progress.
Let's just hope then. It will really be nice if she can be able to see again.
Hope is all I have for now, and that's enough.
I know my mom will see again.
Yeah, I mean, with that faith, all things are possible.
Okay, Teresa, let's try and remove the bandage and then you tell me what you can see, okay?
Okay, doctor.
Here we go. Okay. see how this turns out. So, what can you see?
I can see.
You can?
Yes, I can see.
What can you see?
It's a bit blurry, but I can see movements. I can see colors. I can see lights.
Okay. I'm going to put a glass on you. Let's see if this helps you. Okay. Let's balance it very well. Tell me what you can see now.
I can see.
Really?
Oh no! Alex!
You can see me? Oh my god! You can see us, it's me!
Oh no! I can see! I can see! Mr. Alex, thank you so much. Thank you! Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
This will help her, okay, to an extent. The eye will keep improving, but she needs to also come for regular medical checks.
Sure. Thank you.
Congratulations, madam.
Thank you, doctor. I can see. I can see. God.
Thank you, doctor.
Alex, God bless you. Yes, I can see you. I can see you.
Congratulations.
I can see you.
Thank God.
Yes. See. Yes, I
can see me.
I can.
Come on, give me one.
This is not a good time, okay?
Why? I mean, he's not coming back till night.
You just hold on, okay? He said he's going to send the money tomorrow, and when he does, we can leave this place and live our lives. One more day.
Just one more day.
Just one more day.
One more day.
Wait. What was that?
What was what?
What did you just see?
What was what? You didn't see anything, did you?
You didn't see anything. You saw nothing.
Both of you, get your things and leave my house now.
Babe, I promise you it's not what you think.
What if we don't, bro? What if we don't?
Is he out of his mind?
That is enough! Enough, okay? Let's just go.
This was all a game to you, right? This was all a game to you. You brought your boyfriend into my house, parading him as your cousin.
Fred is my cousin, okay? You're just misunderstanding.
Don't you dare lie to me! Don't you lie to my voice! I saw you kissing your cousin! Don't you get close to me! Now go there, get your boyfriend, get your things and get out of my house. I'll call the police on you.
Skip. Please, I'm sorry.
After all I have done for you, you see, this is how you repay me. Just get your things and get out of my house. Get out of my house! Get your things and get out of my house!
Is everything okay?
sorry about that.
I heard you shouting. What's going on?
Lucy and Fred have been dating under my roof.
Oh,
You're not surprised? You knew about this?
I'm not really. Uloma told me she saw them.
I did not deem it fit to tell me.
I didn't know how to tell you.
Just...
Besides, I wasn't sure of what Uloma saw.
They've been playing me for a fool under my roof.
Alex. Alex.
I'm fine, Theresa.
You know, sometimes bravery requires company. I can't just ignore it. Alex, you're a good man with a kind heart. You don't deserve any of this. I'm so sorry.
What did I do wrong, Theresa? She chose him over me. I gave her everything. Everything. You know, I was supposed to give her a huge sum of money for her business. And this is what I get in return. Betrayal. Deceit. Why?
You didn't do anything. You did nothing wrong. Sometimes some people don't know how to value what they have. So it's not your fault. Don't let her actions doubt who you are, okay? You're a good person and nothing can change that. You'll be fine, I promise. I'm so sorry this is happening to you. You'll be fine.
Teresa, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be in the kitchen. I mean, your eyes are still healing.
But I'm fine.
Ah.
Besides, Uloma is here to help me.
Ah.
It's nothing but a simple meal. It's something I can do. It's not a problem.
Well, okay, if you say so. Well, anyways, I got you ladies something to wear. Take. Okay, so I made a reservation at the restaurant. They're all going out. Yes, you're welcome, you're welcome.
Thank you so much. I don't know. I'm short of words. I don't know how else to thank you.
It's fine. There's smiles on your faces if I need. Okay? So, quickly get done with this. Change, while I go change as well.
Well, thank you so much.
Okay.
Mommy, let's go before the food gets cold.
Calm down now. Allow mommy to take her time.
She has to worry before you change your mind.
I'm not changing my mind. Just be patient. Besides, they're not going to serve the food before we get there. So just hold on, okay? Give her some time. Yeah? I'm sure she'll be out soon. Okay. Okay. Wow. 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 You look magnificent.
Thank you.
My mom used to be a makeup artist.
Makeup artist and a teacher?
Makeup was something I did on the side.
Ah, you look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you. Thanks to you.
Okay, shall we?
Yes.
Oh my God. 6'4". 6'4".
Tom.
5'4". Okay. 5'5". You know, you still haven't told me about Uloma's father. I mean, is he late or are you separated?
Her parents died 2 days after she was born.
Wait, you're not her biological mother?
No. She's my niece.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah. After the death of her parents, the in-laws sent her to me to take care of her with nothing, despite my condition. So she grew up knowing me as her mother.
Wait, does she know you are her aunt?
Yes, she knows.
Yeah. That's amazing. I mean, I'm even short of words. I mean, you're a very strong woman, you know. Despite all this, you're still able to stand.
I had no choice. It was either a fight or I give up. And Oloma gave me a reason to keep going.
You know, we're meant to meet each other. I mean, you healed my heart in ways I didn't think possible. I love the strong woman you are. Despite everything life has thrown at you, you've been able to stand back. I could remember the day I came to your house and you stood up for yourself. I said to myself, this lady's a fighter. You left a mark on me that day. You did. How about her schooling?
She finished her secondary school education when I became blind.
Oh.
So she had to forego her schooling to hawk, to make ends meet for both of us.
That's sad.
Yeah.
I'll take care of her education.
Really?
Yeah, I will.
My God, thank you. I can't lost too.
I know. Hey, you're welcome. Okay. You've stolen my heart. And I'm fine with that. I mean, I'm not calling the cops on you.
You better don't, because I don't plan on giving it back.
Oh.
Never. What? Did I say that out loud?
I just said it loud and clear.
No way. I didn't say that.
I just
How
heard
could
it loud and clear.
That wasn't me. I didn't say it. No way.
Okay,
I take it back.
Hey. So what are we going to do about this thing?
What do we do about what exactly?
About this. I know you feel something special here.
What makes you think that I feel anything special for you?
I mean, I see it in your eyes. I see it in your smile.
Okay, can you just stop?
I see it in your laughter.
And I'll be lying, Alex, if I said that I don't feel anything for you. Because I do. Okay, back to the cake.
Oh, yes, you. Hey, what's going on? Why are you crying?
It's actually tears of joy. When I was in darkness, I did not only lose my sight, I lost hope. I built walls around my heart because I believed no one was going to love me because I was incomplete. But you didn't see my brokenness. You saw me. You gave me light even before I opened my eyes. Now I see the world. Now I see everything. And it's not just the flowers or the sunrise that makes my heart beat. But you. It's you. It's you. I did not just regain my sight. I found life. I found love, and I found you. And I swear I will never take any moment for granted. Thank you. Thank you, Alex, for giving me light. Even when I was in total darkness. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you for loving me.
I love you.